Good afternoon everyone. I'm going to show you the demonstration of iMark microplate reader. This is from Biorad company. You have to first plug in the main switch and switch it on. Then you have to switch this, you have to long press this button, this green button, and the machine will take one or 2 minutes to initialize. After the initialization is done, the machine will ask for a password. So the password which is set in is it's a 0000. Then it will ask for you to press enter, and you have to press enter. Then the current on the display, it is showing that the wavelength is 750. But if you want, this iMark microplate reader has got the filter at the wavelength 405 nanometer filter, 415 nanometer filter, 490 nanometer filter, 540, 550, 570, 595, 620, 630 and 635 and 750 nanometer. But at the moment it is having only 6 filters, and you have to use, if you want to, so suppose you want to work at 525 or 545, then you have to choose the nearest wavelength. So you have to go for 595 nanometer. Now at the display, as you see that there is the wavelength which is this machine is showing is 750. So now you have to edit this wavelength. So you will press you want to change the protocol, so you will press edit. So when you press the edit on the display, it is showing you that the tab is on the protocol. So you will press, you want to change the protocol, so you will press enter. Now at the where you see that the tab is on the cutoff, we want to change the mode. So we will take these are the 4 cursor keys. Now you want to come to the right side, so there is a right cursor key. Now you want to change the mode, that because you want to change the wavelength, so we'll click enter. Now here again set photo mode, so we have to change the wavelength, again press enter. Now here there are 2 options which are available in this machine. One is the single wavelength mode and another is the dual wavelength. So at the moment it is showing you a single wavelength mode. So you can continue with this, but if you want to now edit, you will press the down cursor key and you will change the wavelength to 4:1. You will press enter. Sorry, you can go back, enter, say down, and you will press. So if you want to change the wavelength, you have to press this change button. So you can see it is showing you the filters which are there in this machine. So there is 490. When you again press it, there is 655. Then there is 595. Then there is 750, and lastly there is 415. So you can take the OD at only these wavelengths. Then suppose I want to go for 415, so I will, now this is my set wavelength, I will press enter, and then again I will press enter. I'll come on. Now after you have set your wavelength, you are on this mode, then you have to keep your plate which is containing your samples. So you will press this open close button. This is, I've already kept the plate, so this is the way you have to put this plate. You have to lift it up, and like this you have to place it very properly. You will you have to see that there is no liquid on the sides or anything on the plate. You can do it push this manually also, and there is this button which is closed, so it will close automatically. Then you just have to press this start button, and when you press the start button, the reading will the samples will be shaken in the plate, and you will get a reading like this, and the paper will come out with the ODs in the respective way. Now this is what we have done it manually. Now the same thing can be done using this software. So here there is this, you have to connect the USB cable of the laptop. This is the USB cable of the laptop, and at the back also there is the you have to connect USB point. Okay, this. Then so after you connect, we have already loaded this program, which is by the name MPM6EXE. This one, you double press it, you open this. So this is a micro plate manager software. Now the whole operation can be done by using the software. Now you have to open this file, you have to go to the new experiment. Here this plate will open, this format will open. Then here there is a button which is read new plate. Okay, so when you press the read new plate, this pop-up will come. Yeah, so here you have to check the filter, that so same filter should be there at whatever filter you want to take. So here I am choosing 415 nanometer. Then I am doing the endpoint analysis, but in this iMark microplate reader you can also go for kinetic studies. Okay, so you can take the readings, observe the readings on a continuous mode as well. So here I am choosing an endpoint. Okay, and my wavelength is set, and you have to check that the lid is closed properly, and now I can just say start reading. So when it will start reading, you can see here it will start reading, and after it is done, it will show that it will take few seconds, reading plate data and completed, and now I will say done. So you will see that in this format my OD values have come. These are the OD values. Okay, and then later you can import this data, you can export this data. The data has to be saved in a CSV file. You can export this data, and then you can plot this by using the curve fit plot. So here by this you can analyze, by making this graph you can analyze your data.